everyone. Today we've got a story for you. Today's story is called The Red Raincoat. On Sunday, Manu's parents got him a red raincoat. "Ma, can I wear it now?" asked Manu. "No, my dear. The rains are near, but just now the sky is clear," said Ma. Monday, it was bright and sunny. "Will it rain today, Mummy?" asked Manu. "No, Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny," said Ma. On Tuesday, the sky was blue. "Ma, when will my wish come true?" asked Manu. "Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky," said Ma. Wednesday was hot. "Ma, why doesn't it rain?" asked Manu. "Son, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before it is noon," said Ma. On Thursday, Manu went on a picnic. "Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take my raincoat with me?" asked Manu. "No, my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high in the sky," said Ma. Friday was cloudy. "Ma, will it rain today?" asked Manu loudly. "It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low in the sky," said Ma. Saturday began with a bang. Bada-boom! "Ma, is that thunder I hear? Will it rain very soon?" asked Manu. Then at last it started raining. "Oh, it's raining! It's raining!" sang Manu, running out. "But Manu," called Ma, running after him, "you forgot your raincoat." I hope you enjoyed the story and we'll see you again soon. Bye.